There are multiple ways to let HirePOS know that an invoice has been paid. For example, you could use the bank feeds option to match your bank deposits with invoices. You could let a linked accounting software such as Xero upload new payments to HirePOS. Or, like in this example, you can process the payment manually, directly from the invoice screen. To do this, navigate towards the bottom of the sales record and select Receive Payment. First thing, you can enter a payment date and time. HirePOS will default this to the current date and time, as this is the most common scenario. On the left, you can select the value and the method of the transaction, be it cash, FPOS, or bank transfer. Select the account that the money has been deposited to, your bank account, the till, or otherwise. You can specify an optional memo for the payment if you would like. There are options to save the payment record, or additionally, print a payment receipt as well. Press Save to save the transaction. Let's go back in and have a look at some of the other options for receiving payments that are in there. On the right-hand side, you have the ability to receive payment of a deposit with the same method and account options as the main payment section to the left. You will notice credit card buttons. These allow you to temporarily store your customer's credit card info for bond and future payment purposes. Be sure that you are following the regulations and legislation in your area regarding this practice. Navigating once more to the invoice, there is an optional way to charge credit cards directly from HirePOS by linking HirePOS with a payment gateway such as PIN payments or NAB Transact. When activated, you will be able to enter credit card details or pull them from the customer's file and immediately charge the customer's card for payment, bond, or deposit. When successful, HirePOS will automatically mark the payment in the system for you. This is the same facility that allows customers to make online payments against your invoices. As this is a demonstration, PIN payments has not been fully set up on this account right now, and as a result, we can see the warning up the top, and I do not have a button to execute the payment with. For more information about integrating an online credit card payment gateway, using bank feeds, or linking HirePOS with other accounting software, please see the related tutorial or visit the Help Centre in the HirePOS app.